Welcome to Auto Critic USA. Today we're diving into one of the most unique and aggressive builds of the Toyota Supra MK5 ever seen. This isn't your average street sports car. This is a futuristic, off-road ready beast, built for those who demand both luxury and rugged performance in one jaw-dropping package. The very first glance at this custom Supra grabs your attention with its bold presence. The body is finished in a stealthy matte gray paint, giving it a modern and aggressive appeal. Black accents enhance the muscular design, while bright yellow highlights on the bumper and side skirts add a sporty, eye-catching contrast that screams performance. Up front, the wide-body kit immediately sets the tone. The custom front bumper is equipped with integrated LED light bars, perfect for off-road visibility and night drives. The grille design is bold and commanding, flanked by sharp LED headlights and aggressive DRLs, daytime running lights, that give the Supra a futuristic and menacing look. The side profile is equally impressive. The wide fenders house massive off-road tires with deep tread, built to tackle rough terrains without compromising on style. Custom alloy wheels add a sporty flair, and the lifted suspension provides high ground clearance, making it not just a showpiece, but an actual off-road performer. Tinted windows add privacy while complementing the matte finish for that sleek, high-end look. From the rear, this Supra continues to deliver. The aggressive rear bumper includes a diffuser and dual exhausts that give off a powerful vibe. LED tail lights stretch across the back with a modern design that aligns perfectly with the futuristic theme. The yellow accents continue here too, providing consistency in the custom aesthetic. The top view shows off a muscular roofline, adding aerodynamic styling to this lifted monster. Although the interior isn't fully visible, glimpses through the dark tinted glass suggest a high-end, race-inspired cabin, likely packed with sport seats, carbon fiber accents, and advanced tech to match the vehicle's aggressive exterior. In terms of performance, while exact specs weren't disclosed, a build like this usually includes upgraded suspension, off-road tuning, reinforced underbody protection, and likely engine mods to handle rough conditions with ease. This Supra isn't just for city streets or car shows, it looks ready to conquer deserts, trails, and everything in between. Overall, this build is a stunning example of what happens when performance meets imagination. It's bold, it's aggressive, and it's a completely new take on the iconic Supra nameplate. Whether you're a fan of off-road machines, custom car culture, or just love unique builds, this Supra MK5 is a dream come true. Conclusion: this is not just a car, it's a statement. A symbol of creativity, power, and precision. The Toyota Supra MK5 Off-Road Edition blends luxury and rugged capability in a way that's rarely seen. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more epic builds like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more automotive masterpieces.